Ill nature. How is ill nature to be met and overcome? First, by humility. When a man knows his own weaknesses, why should he be angry with others for pointing them out? No doubt it is not very amiable of them to do so, but still, truth is on their side. Secondly, by reflection. After all, we are what we are, and if we have been thinking too much of ourselves, it is only an opinion to be modified. The incivility of our neighbors leaves us what we were before. Above all, by pardon. There is only one way of not hating those who do us wrong, and that is by doing them good. Anger is best conquered by kindness. Such a victory over feeling may not indeed affect those who have wronged us, but it is a valuable piece of self-discipline. It is vulgar to be angry on one's own account. We ought only to be angry for great causes. Besides, the poisoned dart can only be extracted from the wound by the balm of a silent and thoughtful charity. Why do we let human malignity embitter us? Why should ingratitude, jealousy, perfidy even, enrage us? There is no end to recriminations, complaints, or reprisals. The simplest plan is to blot everything out. Anger, rancor, bitterness trouble the soul. Every man is a dispenser of justice, but there is one wrong that he is not bound to punish, that of which he himself is the victim. Such a wrong is to be healed, not avenged. Amiel's Journal.